Hello everyone, today we will know about what is trigonometry. Now basically what is trigonometry? It is a game played using a triangle with the three sides. Now what are those three sides? Those are nothing but opposite side, adjacent side and the hypotenuse. Opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse remain what? Now here is a triangle. Here I have three sides A, B and C. Now the line connecting B to C would be my opposite side of a particular triangle. This is standard all the time. Now the line connecting A to B would be my adjacent side and the line connecting A to C will be my hypotenuse. Now these three are the sides which everyone have to remember. Just take it very clear. And with the help of these three sides we will find all the thetas in the particular trigonometry. Now here if you see what is sine theta, standard sine theta formula is opposite side by hypotenuse. Now in the particular triangle I know what is opposite side, I know what is hypotenuse. If they give particular values for the particular sides of a triangle, just take those values and make it in a simpler way. Now here I have took a simple example by taking simple values like 4, 8 and 6. Now what is opposite side here? It is BC. Now what is BC here? It is 4. And here what is hypotenuse? It is A to C. Now it is what? 8. Now 4 by 8 would be 1 by 2. You can make it remain in the fraction, or if you want you can take it to the decimal, not an issue. And again here you have cos theta. Cos theta is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. You know what is adjacent side, you know what is hypotenuse. Just take those values and make it simpler. Now again here comes what is tan theta. Now tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. You know what is sin theta, you know what is cos theta. So take those values. What is the same thing in these both is nothing but the hypotenuse. Now when you cancel both hypotenuse, what is the remaining? Opposite side by adjacent side. You know what is the values of opposite side, you know what is the value of adjacent side here. So just take those values. Now the values are nothing but 4 by 6. Make it simpler, remain it the same way, or if you want to make it into the decimal forms, not an issue, you can just make it. And again you have cot theta here. Now cot theta is nothing but adjacent side by opposite side. Basically why I took adjacent by opposite side, this is because cot theta standard formula is nothing but 1 by tan theta. Now what is tan theta? I know what is tan theta. I just have to make it reverse. Now reverse is nothing but in place of sine cos comes, and in place of cos sine comes there. So it is nothing but cos theta by sine theta. Same in both the things, hypotenuse would be the same, so those two get cancelled. Now here opposite whatever the hypotenuse is cancelled, so the remaining things are opposite side and adjacent side. Now here it is first comes cos theta and again comes the sin theta. Now what is cos? Cos, as I told you, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Now as cos is in the first place, adjacent comes up, opposite comes down. So just make it reverse of tan theta. And again you have two more thetas here. Those are nothing but cosecant theta and secant theta. So these two thetas will also come when you know what is the formula for sin theta and cos theta. Now the standard thing for cosecant theta is that is nothing but 1 by sin theta. Now we all know what is sin theta. You just have to make it divided by 1. Now I will take 1 by sin theta. Now 1 by, what is sin theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse. If it is divided by 1, the hypotenuse comes in the numerator and the opposite goes to the denominator. So the value it would be hypotenuse by opposite side. The next theta is secant theta. Secant theta will also get from sin theta and cos theta only, because secant theta formula is 1 by cos theta. Now you know what is cos theta. Cos theta is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse, and if it is 1 by adjacent by hypotenuse, hypotenuse comes to the numerator and adjacent will remain in the denominator. This is how you will find the sides with the particular value mentioned for the particular triangle. If imagine there is no value mentioned for the particular sides and they have given you the particular angles. Now there's an important thing in the trigonometry is to know the values of every angle for the particular theta. So we have completely 6 thetas here, and we'll take the angles till 90 degree because that is the most important factor of trigonometry. Now you might be thinking this is a difficult thing to remember all the values of the 6 thetas to all the angles. It is quite difficult. No, it is quite simple. Just listen to me. First thing you gotta do is write all the thetas, all the 6 thetas and angles 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees. Now here just remember all the values for sine theta. Now sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2 and sine 90 is 1. So just by heart all the values of sine theta. You will get all the remaining values using sine theta, because this is a simple trick. Many people wouldn't know this. Now here the next comes cos theta. Now if I want to find the values of cos theta using sin theta, this is a very simpler way you can use. You just have to reverse the values of sin theta. What is reverse value of sin theta? There is nothing but whatever the sin 90 degree would be, that comes to cos 0 degree. Here in place of cos 0 degree, I will take the value what is given to sin 90. What is sin 90 here? It is 1. So that I would take to cos 0. And again sin 60 would be my cos 30 and 45 remains same. 45, the value of 45 will be the same. Then here it is tan theta. What I told you previously, tan theta is, it is nothing but sine by cos. I have the values of sine, I have the values of cos, just divided by, like we have to divide both the values. Now here tan theta is nothing but sine by cos, it is nothing but 0 by 1. Now just remember the particular two things in the trigonometry when you make this table. It is nothing but 0 by any number, not just 1, 2, 3, any number. If it is 0 by that particular number, then the value would remain 0. If it is any number divided by 0, then the value would remain infinity. You have to remember these two particular important things, because these two are the things where people get confused. Now tan theta you got to know just because it is sin theta by cos theta. Next you have here cot theta. Now I told you previously what is cot theta. It is nothing but 1 by tan theta. Now if it is 1 by tan theta, that is cos divided by sin. Now you know the values of cos, you know the values of sin. You just have to make it a cos by sin. This is the first way of finding the cot theta. The second way of finding the cot theta is nothing but reverse the values of tan theta. What is reverse the values of tan theta? Tan 90 would be my cot 0. Tan 60 would be my cot 30. Remaining 45 would be the same one. Now here you see tan 90 value is what? Infinity. So that infinity comes to cot 0. Now again tan 60 is 1 by 2, and here my what is it? Tan 60 degree is root 3. Now it comes to cot 30, that is root 3. And again 45 will be the same, 45 remains there. Now again I have to find the values of cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is nothing but 1 by sin theta. Now cosecant theta is nothing but 1 by sin theta. I know the values of sin theta. I just have to divide it 1 by sin theta. Now 1 by sin theta is nothing but 1 by sin 0 degree, 1 by sin 45 degrees. We have to find the values of the particular degrees. Now see, what is cosecant theta? It is nothing but 1 by sin. Now it becomes 1 by 0. I told you any number by 0 would be infinity. So here infinity comes. And again now sin 30 degrees 1 by 2. Now it is nothing but 1 by 1 by 2. 1 and 1 are same. What is the remaining thing? 2 remains there. And again 1 by sin theta. Now again for the 45 degrees it is 1 by root 2. I told you when the ones are same, the remaining value would be there. Now it is root 2. And again 1 by sin is root 3 by 2. Now 1 by root 3 by 2. Now 2 comes to the numerator, root 3 comes to the denominator. And again 1 by 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. And again secant theta, we have two ways of finding the secant theta. First way is secant theta value. We all know what is secant theta. It is nothing but 1 by cos theta. Now I know the values of cos theta. I just have to make it divided by 1. I will get the values of secant theta. This is the first way. Now second way is I know what are the values of cosecant theta in the table previously. I just have to reverse those values to find the cosecant. To find the secant. Now we all know what is the value of cosecant 90. Now the cosecant 90 would nothing be secant 0 degree. Now here you see cosecant 90 is 1. So the secant 0 would be 1. So you just have to reverse the values of cosecant in order to find the secant. The first way is what I told you is 1 by cos theta. You know the values of cos theta here. Just have to divide it by 1. Now I will tell you an example. And now cos theta. For the 0 degree it is 1. So now 1 by cos theta is nothing but 1 by 1. So 1 remains there. And again next it is 1 by root 3 by 2. Now 2 comes to the numerator and root 3 comes to the denominator. 45 degree, and again it is nothing but 1 by root 2. Now root 2 comes to the numerator, 1 comes to the denominator. So if it is in the denominator, 1 is in the denominator, not an issue if you take that into consideration. Now it is just root 2, and again here you have 1 by 2. It's nothing but 1 divided by 1 by 2. Now you will take 1 to the numerator, 2 to the numerator, and 1 is same here, so you will take just 2 there. And next it is 1 by 0. I told you any number divided by 0 gives you infinity, so I will take infinity here. So only by knowing the values of sine theta, you can also find the rest all the theta values for different angles just by knowing what is sine theta. The two important things what I told you is what divided by what gives you what. So here 0 by anything is what? Any number by 0 is what? Now any number by 0 is infinity. Now 0 by any number gives you 1. So these are the important things that you have to remember, and trigonometry is very simple. It is not a difficult thing. This trick you use at your home because due to lockdown you will be studying at home. This trick many people wouldn't know this, so this might help you in knowing all the angles in a very simply way. Thank you.